A septic system is a vital component of waste management for homes not connected to municipal sewage lines. It consists of several main components. The septic tank, typically buried underground, collects wastewater from your home. As solids settle at the bottom, bacteria break them down, while the scum floats to the top. The liquid effluent flows into the drain field, where it is filtered through the soil. This natural process effectively treats wastewater, allowing clean water to return to the environment. Proper understanding and maintenance of these components are crucial for a healthy septic system. Septic pumping is essential for the longevity and efficiency of your septic system. Over time, solid waste accumulates in the septic tank, reducing its capacity and potentially causing clogs or backups. Regular pumping removes this buildup, ensuring that the waste is processed efficiently and preventing costly repairs. Moreover, failing to pump can lead to system failure, which may contaminate the groundwater and pose health risks. By keeping your septic system clean, you not only extend its lifespan but also maintain a safe and healthy environment for you and your family. Recognizing the signs that indicate your septic tank needs pumping is crucial for system maintenance. Common indicators include slow drains in sinks, showers, or toilets, suggesting that the tank may be full or clogged. Unpleasant sewage odors around your property can signify that waste is not being processed properly and may escape the tank. Another alarming sign is the presence of pooling water or wet areas over the drain field, which indicates that the effluent is not being absorbed efficiently. If you observe any of these symptoms, it's essential to schedule a pumping service promptly. The frequency of septic pumping is crucial for maintaining a healthy system, and it generally depends on several factors. Tank size, household size, and overall waste usage all play significant roles. Typically, a family of 4 with a tank of 1,000 gallons should consider pumping every 3 to 5 years. Larger households or those using excessive water may require more frequent servicing. Regular maintenance not only prevents clogs and backups but also extends the life of the system. Keeping a consistent schedule based on your specific circumstances is essential for optimal septic health. Selecting a reliable septic pumping service is vital for ensuring proper maintenance of your system. Start by checking for licenses and insurance, which indicate credibility and protection against potential damages. Seek recommendations from friends or family, and read online reviews to gauge overall customer satisfaction. It's important to ask potential providers about their experience, pricing, and pumping methods. Inquire about their environmental practices, as responsible disposal of waste is crucial. A reputable service will be transparent and willing to answer your questions. Taking the time to choose the right service can save you both time and money in the long run.